Hey guys, this is Arkadeep Khashnobish. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. Today I'm back again on YouTube with another new video. Today's video is basically a continuation video of our Puri Tours vlog, and today is the final day, the day 6 of our Puri Tour, and today it's our last day here in Puri. In the evening we will leave Puri today. So keep watching this video, and if you really enjoy watching this video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family and hit the thumbs button. It would really help me out and mean a lot to me. So like, it's currently 7:29 a.m. right now, and I have woken up, and today I woke up a bit early because today we will have to change the room, as I said last night. Actually we had 6 rooms, but out of which we will be given only 3 rooms. So we were supposed to actually check out by 7 a.m. but we have changed our plan, and we have requested them, so they will be giving us only 3 rooms to stay. So I had to wake up just for shifting from one room to the other, and like, just because of that, like, I couldn't sleep properly also last night. I slept late, as I said. I had to do some packing and some work were also left. So yeah, I wish I could sleep more, and I will try to sleep more if possible. Anyways, so keep watching this video. See you all after some time. Hey guys, so it's currently 10:54 a.m. right now, and we will have our breakfast now. I didn't sleep, I am awake since like 7 a.m. Most of the people were sleeping, but I tried to sleep, but I couldn't. And moreover, it is a problem for me to wake up, like, if I sleep in between. So yeah, that's why I didn't sleep. So now I'm very hungry. I need to have the food. And the breakfast, I think it has already been served, so I need to go to the breakfast table. So see you all at the breakfast table. Keep watching. Guys, I'm having puri and sabji for breakfast, and this is a sweet, it's made of cottage cheese, and it's called chana bora. So keep watching. Hey guys, so it's currently 12:08 p.m. right now, and I already had my breakfast. Now we are going to the sea beach again. Yes, so today basically 4 of us are going, so I will not be able to carry my smartphone with me to the sea beach, because there will be no one to keep my smartphone with him or her. So that's why I'm keeping it in the hotel, so I won't be able to like click any videos or click any pictures today at the sea beach or show you all any clips. So keep watching the video. See you all after returning to the hotel. Bye for now. Hey guys, so it's currently 2:55 p.m. right now, and I have already returned to the hotel from the sea beach, and I have also taken a bath. Like, I had to wash a lot of clothes, and that's why I'm a bit tired as well. Now we will be going to have our lunch, so keep watching the video. See you all after some time after having the lunch. I'm showing you all what we are having for lunch. Keep watching. We are going to Kasturi for having our lunch. Keep watching. Fish fries. Hey guys, so it's currently 4:19 p.m. right now, and I've completed having my lunch. I'm back to the hotel. Now I will take some rest, for a while if possible, because like we have to reach the station by 6 p.m. or 6:30 p.m. Before going to the station, we have some time, free time to take some rest. So I will probably take some rest. Then I will get it. All the packing is done. Keep watching. See you all after some time. Hey guys, it's currently 6-7 p.m. right now and we are all ready. We have to go to the police station as there will be the train Duronto Express by which we will be returning to Kolkata. So our Puri tour has come to an end. Days we spent very happily. There was a lot of fun and all. But yes, a bit sad. But yeah, still the train journey is there. Keep watching. See you after some time. Guys, it's currently 7:31 p.m. right now and we are currently sitting inside the train. Train has already departed and we are on our way home. Puri trip has come to an end, as you all know. We will reach Shialda station tomorrow in at around 4 a.m. or 3:30 a.m. I don't know the exact time. So keep watching the video. See you all after some time. A mango drink. Everybody is having it. Hey guys, it's currently 9:02 p.m. right now and we have been served the dinner. We have all received a food package from the train Duronto Express, showing all what we have received. Keep watching. Guys, this is chicken, this is paratha, this is jeera rice, this is dahi. And this is dal. I'm not gonna have the dal because I don't like dal very much. You all keep watching. See you all after having my meal. Hey guys, it's currently 10:21 p.m. right now and I am currently lying on the upper berth. I already had my dinner. Now it's time for me to take a small nap, or maybe I will be sleeping. I don't know why I cannot sleep properly while traveling by train or buses or by cars. So yes, and the opposite berth, upper berth, Mohana is lying on the opposite one. I cannot show everyone. That is my aunt. She is literally scared. And here is Akansha. Hello.
Hello. Good night.
Okay. So you all keep watching the videos. See you all after some time. I don't know when I will wake up, if I will sleep or not. That also I don't know. So see you all after some time. Bye bye. আর কাউকে দেখাতে পারছি না। Hi everyone, it's currently 3:46 a.m. right now, and we have reached Shialda station. Slept off literally, so I couldn't click any videos and in between that. So yes, finally we are back to the city of joy, Kolkata. Now after some time we will be heading towards home. Now the luggages are being taken out of the train. We are checking if there is any remaining luggage inside the compartment or not. So keep watching the video. See you all after some time. Guys, so it's currently 6:19 a.m. right now, and as I showed you all, we are already back to our home, and it's at home sweet home, and I can't agree more. I really missed my room, my home very much, and finally I'm back to my home. It's not that I'm a homesick person. With this video, it's an end to our Puri tour, and I'm also really feeling like a bit sad. 6 days I really enjoyed very much with my cousins. There were so many people, we were a group of 18 people, as I said. We enjoyed very much. We had a lot of fun, and beach days used to be fun days. I will really miss the beach, the whole place, Puri. I had a lot of food. Now I will have to start dieting. Now the vlog series of videos, the vlogs which I have been doing, it has come to an end now. It will end now. So thank you each and everyone for watching this video and for being with me and my whole family since day one of our Puri tour, and for watching all the videos. Keep supporting me like this, keep watching my videos like this. That's all. Bye bye, stay safe, take care, and see you all very soon with something new, some other video or some other vlogs. I will try to be active on YouTube as much as possible. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye.